I am Dr. Colonel Atul Bhandari, CEO, Palladium School, Hisar. Dear parents, today I am going to speak to you about how best we can utilize the coming summer break for our children. The first point is that we must have a routine. That is, the child must know that there is a systematic way of going through the day, of getting up at a fixed time, having breakfast at a fixed time, studying at a fixed time, playing at a fixed time, so that it is a sequence throughout the day. This routine will come in very handy for the boy or the girl at home. Next, I would suggest that the child should practice yoga because yoga connects the body, mind, and soul and will stabilize the child mentally. He should also try meditation, which can be a very simple form of meditation or even solitude to stabilize the mind. All these things help the brain waves calm down. I would recommend that there should be a musical instrument at home. It could be a simple instrument like a mouth organ or a guitar, which the child should learn during the summer holidays. Next, try swimming. If there is a swimming pool close by, the child should have swimming classes regularly under a trained coach so that it develops him physically and mentally. It strengthens the body and gives a good feeling. Next, the child must read books. Books are a source of knowledge. I would recommend books on current affairs, on general awareness, on personality development, on how to build confidence. Next, the child must read out from a book aloud in English for at least 30 minutes every day because this will improve her speaking skills and hone the English speaking method of the child so that he comes forward and she comes forward as more confident children. I would recommend that they should practice some art and craft at home. You could take a simple earthen pot and paint it from outside in colorful colors because this will give a feeling of self-worth to the child that he or she has created something. I would also recommend that there should be at least 1 hour a day of studies, proper formal studies at home, because that will help the child stay connected with the books, with what is happening in school. And I would specifically recommend maths because practice of maths is the only way of keeping abreast with it. So what the child must study for at least an hour a day, and that should include some portion of maths. Next, I would recommend that the child should read the newspaper every day because that will keep him connected with what is happening in our state, in our country, in the world, and improve his or her general awareness. Also, I would recommend that the parents should speak to the children, spend time with them, and teach them about the good values, the good sanskar, and the good culture that we have in our country so that he or she develops and blossoms into a very good young lady or young gentleman. So these are some guidelines, dear parents. I request you all that please plan out the summer holidays so that children come out through it having learned something, having gained something, and come out as good people, good citizens, and good children at the end of the summer holidays. Thank you.